Hi, good morning. My name is Mike Pells. I'm a senior construction manager for Caliber Development, and today we're going to walk through 155 to kind of give you a little bit of lay of the land. So right here in the back alleyway, we have had B&F, our contractor, do all of our dry and wet utilities. As you can see, we've already had them put back the stamped asphalt. We had a lot of construction that's coming through here. All our dry and wet utilities, you can see, have been cut and put back. Our electrical SES panels will be going here in the back of the property. Our wet side, all of our drains and sewer lines are running through here. What we're seeing right now is that everything that you see from this point forward is all brand new concrete. We ended up demoing all of the floor out. There is probably about a mile worth of plumbing that has gone into this building. What was pretty cool about this building is it had cobble footers, which I've never seen in my career of doing construction in the valley. So it was pretty cool to see, but it was not structurally sound. So we ended up having to do pretty much the same thing. We had to come in here, put new footers in, and when we did that, we ended up having to replace the roof on this building. So what you see is this glulam beam that's running across the back. From the glulam to the front of the building is all brand new roof trusses, all brand new structure. All of the drywall that you're seeing put up, we ended up having to put in a wall to support all of the truss systems. So as you can see, it doesn't look anything like that now. Everything on the inside is going to be new. As we walk through, we put 5 brand new AC units on this roof. It's got a brand new TPO roof on top. As you can see, the insulators are insulating the deck. There will be a black scrim that goes up, so you'll be able to see the bottom of the trusses to kind of give it that old school flair of industrial, which that's what they're trying to achieve here. They wanted to do something different down here. They wanted to put a sunk-in bar, and as you can see, it's the shape of a horseshoe. So they're going to end up putting a copper bar top all the way around in the shape of a horseshoe once the stills and everything are put in. What we're seeing right here will be the future bathrooms. So a lot of new changes in this property. Another unique part of this build is that the equipment that they will be using. Where we're standing right now is where all of the brew equipment are going to be. This will be the steep, one of the big steeps. As you can see in the roof, we ended up having to put an 8-foot doghouse on top of the roof. This still that comes up here is 20 foot plus tall, and it's going to protrude through the roof. So we ended up having to make sure that we had enough room for there. It is going to have an awesome background. It's all copper, so it'll be pretty cool when it's all said and done to accommodate the copper bar that they have put in here. So we're looking forward to the opportunity for this place to be packed when it's all said and done.